Welcome back to the channel, YouTubians, Paddock Kart Scale Dreams. So, hope everyone's doing well, having a good week. My last day off, I'm just jumped on to show, wanted to do an unboxing. I haven't done one in quite some time. And I just got a couple new kits yesterday. So I'm going to do an unboxing of this kit. AMT Surfer Van, the 77 Ford Econoline. There's a recent, this is the 2020 release. There's a brand new release that's out. This one here. This is the Fanta. That's out right now. There was both at the store. I opted on this one. I didn't realize Fanta was the newest one. I didn't check ScaleMates while I was at the store, but anyways, this thing's been released dozens of times. There's some really cool versions of this kit, a couple comedy hit versions. Just have a look on ScaleMates if you ever get a chance, if you do get this kit. So I'll just kind of show the box a little bit. So it's a 2-in-1. You can build it, well, there's obviously more ways to build it than just two. But here's a couple versions right here. Here's your decal sheet. Another shot of the van. Some features include pad printed tires, fender flares, roof vents, side pipes, custom portholes, all new roof rack, and the surfboards. So you get, of course, you get your parts overview on the back, which I love about the round 2 stuff. You can really investigate when you're picking your kit. And of course, this one says 2020 somewhere. At least that's what ScaleMates told me. Where is the date on this? Should be somewhere. So it's 140 parts. Oh yeah, there we go, 2020 round 2. Some transparent blue parts, chrome plated, clear, red of course. And what's really cool, I've just read some really quick reviews on this kit. From what I read, it's a really good kit. One of the best Ford Econolines out there. So I'm excited. I just opened the box a little bit earlier and had a quick peek inside, but everything's in plastic. So what I'm going to do is get it all opened up and open up the plastic bags, and then we'll have a quick look and see what this kit's all about. Okay, so we'll start off with the body. Everything looks crisp. Really nice body lines. A little bit of flash here and there, not too much. There is a mold line that goes down both sides here. Not really noticeable on the top. It follows this here. And then down. Comes across. And down where the hood opening. So not too bad at all. Even the script is pretty decent. The Ford on the back looks really easy to be really nice to chrome this with first, and then paint over it. Put BMF down and then paint it all up, and then get rid of the paint. That would work really good on this. So here's your interior bucket. It looks really nice. Door cards are attached. Detail isn't super great on those. But overall, it's decent looking. Okay, so that's our body. And of course, we have our stamp inside, round 2, 2020. Okay, so our first goodie bag is going to be the chrome. The chrome looks pretty decent. So we got our custom grill. Sorry about the glare. So our custom grill, regular stock grill, side pipes. Not sure what these are. Maybe parts of the mirrors, I think. Yeah, those are the mirrors. Your OEM caps, hubcaps. More parts of the side pipes. Oh, we're missing one of these right here. Connector. Didn't see that in the box. Okay, so that's that part of the chrome tree. Then they put in a nice set of Krager style, or sorry, torque thrust style wheels. So those look fairly decent. You can tell they're a newer part. There isn't any. It's nice how they put these attachments a little further back. I don't know if you guys can see that. So you can cut these off and retain the nice smooth outer lip. So, which is nice. Nice of them to do. Okay, and then our first bag, parts. Got one surfboard, 2 surfboards. Then we've got our roof rack here. So our bucket seats. Some, I don't know if this is a stock design on here. Don't know enough. So your seat bases. Some underhood stuff. Some more underhood bracing, I think, or chassis, fuel tank. Not exactly sure what these are. Maybe some custom parts. Hood looks good. The Ford looks really good on the hood. Like I said, BMF on here would make those stand out really well. Not sure what these are. Some wheel backs, steering wheel. So here's our dash. Looks really nice here. Hopefully there's some decals for this, because this would be a nightmare to detail. Doable, but okay, our front core, rad core support, drive shaft, heater stuff, and then our steering, front trailing arms, shocks, more trailing arms. These must be the fronts. Not sure what these ones are. So our hood or engine bay stuff for the under the hood. So rear, a rear end shock springs. This looks like a steering something. Steering column, exhaust. Okay, so that's our first bag of goodies. Here's the second bag of goodies. So we got our wheel backs. We have this rear spoiler, or might be the under front spoiler here. Not sure. Probably for the roof vent. Another chassis part for the chassis anyway. And these wheel fender flares, those look pretty cool. Air filter, engine, master cylinder, a bunch of engine components. So you can see our Ford here on the valve covers, oil pan. Look at the size of that fan belt. Or sorry, the fan. Water pump, exhaust manifolds, heads, little tiny battery. So we'll have to find something for the battery if it'll fit in there. So here's the here's the frame. This is really looks pretty sturdy. Actually might be twisted a little bit. Yeah, it looks twisted. So we'll have to straighten that out. This side sticks up more. Shouldn't be too big of an issue. Not really sure what these are. Should show. Anyways, here's the exhaust. And we got some wagon wheels here, custom steering wheel. That all looks nice. Okay, and then we got our clears, our reds, blues, and whites. Our clears. So those all look pretty cool. You got different options on the side window. So that's kind of neat. I guess you'll have to cut that out. Okay, that's that. And then your tires. So you get your basic stock tire. These Goodyears. Custom wide tread polyglass. The rubber looks a little weird on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like matte and shiny. It's not uniform. All the tires are like that. Okay, and then we also have a set of wide oval Firestones. So in comparison, these Firestones are a little taller and a little wider. So they'll fill up that wheel well pretty nice. I'll probably go with the custom wheel tire combo. Some Formula Ones maybe. So that's the tires. They're still decent. Then our decal sheet here. So there is no I do not see any gauge decals, so that's a little disappointing. The decals look actually pretty nice. There's not a lot of carrier film. Hang 10, wipeout. So it looks like you can do a really cool custom graphic van. More than one option. Okay, and then our last but not least, the directions. So your little small AMT directions, not much to it. Just your basic setup. So your options, then it gives you a couple options for decals. Oh, so some of these decals are for the surfboard. So there's two different surfboards there. So that's pretty cool. Decals for the window. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna end up doing this. This looks pretty busy. I might simplify it a little bit. I don't know, we'll see. But it looks like a pretty cool kit. Yeah, if you've built any of the versions of these, let me know which ones you've built, which version. Like I said, there's a whole bunch of them on ScaleMates, and pretty cool. So thanks for checking in on the video. Hope everyone's doing well, and talk to y'all soon. Prayers for those who need them. Pat out. Model on.
Thank you. Thank you very much.